At first glance, concrete like this often makes homeowners think replacement is the only option. Deep cracks, uneven slabs, and sinking sections can create serious trip hazards and give the entire driveway a worn-out appearance. But in many cases, the concrete itself is still structurally sound. With the right repair approach, these surfaces can often be restored instead of replaced.
Don't replace it, raise it. I'm Mr. Foam with GreenStar. Problems like this are what we fix every day.
Rather than replacing large sections of concrete, GreenStar uses polyurethane lifting to correct sinking and uneven slabs. Small injection holes allow structural, high-strength foam to be placed beneath the concrete, where it expands and fills hidden voids. This restores support below the slab and raises settled areas, creating a safer, more even surface. Once the lifting is complete, the concrete is properly supported again, and the surfaces return to a level, stable condition. Trip hazards are eliminated, drainage is improved, and the driveway and walkway look clean and uniform again. Cracks and expansion joints are sealed with flexible silicone to help prevent water from reaching the soil below. Call GreenStar for a free evaluation.